We're gonna get situated here, get everything on the scooter. So I just recently got this bag as well. Fits on the scooter really well. A lot of purposes for this. I mean, it would make a great bag in like a garden, for garden tools, camping, picnics, fishing bag. It's very lightweight, only 1 pound, lots of storage, good size. It's also folding. So right now I have it open, but if we had everything out of it, so it's collapsible, folds up for easy storage, and opens up really easy with these 2 bars. Slide them on either side there, and we got our bag. So we'll go ahead and load our bag up right now. Got our squid for bait using the Crabber Grabber crab snares. Go ahead and throw those in our bag. So you're gonna have to see once we catch our crab, hopefully, what we're gonna have for dinner. Always bring a pair of pliers and a knife when I go fishing. Extra GoPro batteries, and you can't go for crab without a crab gauge. If you guys are interested in this bag or want to learn more about it, I'll have links in the description. Tomshoo offers a wide variety of outdoor products, so I'll definitely go ahead and check them out. So of course I could drive the truck to the fishing spot, but where I'm going, parking's really tight, and this thing's a lot of fun to ride. So the first thing we do is just unclip that. Our handlebars will come up. And we fasten that right there, and that'll lock our handlebars in place. I really like this bag because it fits perfect on the scooter. Now we're ready to go. All right, we're off.